Welcome to SleekFlow version 2. In this video, I will address some of the updates that we've made in this version and also the function rundowns of the inbox. So in our inbox, you can see that the menu bar that is usually on the top where you select different features has been replaced and placed on the left-hand side, which allows you to select the channels, inbox, contacts, broadcasts, and our newly added feature Flow Builder easily accessible on the left side anytime you want. On the left-hand side of the inbox, you can see that on the top there's a collapsible where you can close that and you can view much more content in the inbox. So you can focus on the conversations and not the channels. But if you need to change channels at any time, you can open the collapsible at the top and select which inbox that you would like to view. So now we've broken down our inboxes to 3 main sectors for your personal inboxes. Assigned to me, which is the normal your conversations. Collaborations, which you're assigned as a collaborator, but not directly assigned to you. And also mentions, where you can see conversations that you were mentioned in. And also, there is now a function which is called Complete Inbox, which allows you to see the previous all conversations and also the teams that you've been added to. So for this case, you can see there's branch 1 team, branch 2 team, and branch 3 team. If you're an admin, you can see all of the complete inboxes. If you are a particular team admin or a staff, you can only see the teams that you've been placed in the complete inbox. In the middle of the conversation inbox, you can see on the select conversations location, we have kept our previous design where it's really easy for users to navigate conversations and see labels right there. However, by adding a small twist where you can see the previous conversation status, whether it's sent, successfully received, or even an error, the filters work as usual. You still can sort and also filter based on channels, labels, and members. On the right-hand side of the conversation, we've updated the interface so that it shows the year, month, and date of conversations on the top and on the section that you're on. The reply and internal note functions operate normally, but the interface where you can select how to assign users will be moved right here under your name to change very easily. If you want to add a collaborator, you would still press the right icon and add collaborators right here. Once you press add collaborators, they would show up here. And when you press here, you can remove collaborators by pressing the plus and minus button for the collaborators section. Underneath, you still have the functions to change your WhatsApp channels by pressing the WhatsApp insert message template feature right here. And for the channels, it will be highlighted in gray here where you can press the drop down. And for intensive customer details, like previously shown on the right side, you can press the eye icon on the right and it will show you the customer's information, labels, lists, and custom contact fields as displayed here cleanly on our platform.